Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 possible ways you can be able to make money with Shopify in Nigeria, you understand, or in anywhere you're watching this video from. So if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It's very important. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that YouTube can show this video to people who need help just like you. Okay. Now, the first way you can be able to make money with Shopify or on Shopify in Nigeria is to actually go into dropshipping, looking for a high in demand product that solves a particular problem that is new in town, solve a particular problem according to the seasonality of the year. You can actually go to AliExpress, you go there, you look for this product. When you get one, then you go to Shopify, you open a store there and you set up your payment gateway and be able to run ads, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or probably organic. And by so doing, when you get people to order your product, you back to this international e-commerce website and actually order for this product to the address of your customers. Now, it has come to my knowledge that a lot of people in Nigeria, or a lot of Nigerians who are looking to go into dropshipping, are actually finding it hard to find the right payment gateway for them to be able to receive payment in US dollars internationally. Here I bring you the solution. We all know that Stripe is commonly used by a lot of people, but Stripe has some of stress that comes with it. That is, you have to form a US company. The best alternative you can use as a Nigerian to even collect your payment in USD is Flutterwave. When you get to that page by which you're going to be setting your payment gateway on your Shopify store at the back end, okay, you are actually going to search for Flutterwave, and you can be able to link your Flutterwave account, which is verified with every other details you have, set your product to US dollars, and by so doing you can collect payment in US dollars straight from those people using their card, and by so doing this payment can actually get straight into your bank account from the Flutterwave dashboard. For those of you who are interested in me helping you or guiding you to set up your payment gateway on your Shopify store, you can actually use the link in the description box that leads to my WhatsApp, or use this number on the screen, and by so doing you can actually get to me, be able to tell you what you need. Of course, you should understand that my service is not for free. You understand? Either you want me to teach you or you want me to help you do it. That payment gateway is what I'm actually talking about. So I have solution to that. Okay. Now, the second way by which you can be able to make money on Shopify is if you have a particular handmade craft you produce, especially maybe for fashion designers, or you can actually make some other things, do you understand, related to craft, and this thing must be highly attractive. The international market, okay, fine, these people are actually going to like it. Now, the third way you can actually make money with Shopify is actually learn the act of setting up a beautiful Shopify store. And once you learn how you can be able to do this, do you understand, you don't even really need to do much. You just need to learn how you can be able to set this beautiful shop, and by so doing offer it as a services to business owners or fashion designers, or who actually want to list their products on Shopify or a store. You make cool cash, do you understand, as a website developer, as a website designer, or as a shop designer, do you understand? So no darling, these are some of the ways by which you can be able to make money with Shopify in Nigeria. On this channel we talk about Facebook ads for dropshipping, Instagram ads, TikTok ads for dropshipping. It's more about how you can be able to promote your dropshipping products, your business or services, or any other thing you are doing, and by so doing you can be able to get more exposures and high targeted traffic or customers.